Welcome to my channel Coding Lectures. So in this video we are going to learn how to print a multiplication table of any number using for loop in Java. Alright, first of all I am taking a class and I am naming it as multiply, followed by main method which is public static void main string args. Alright, now first let's take an example. Let's take a multiplication table of 2. Okay, multiplication table of 2. So what is a multiplication table of 2? 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. And then 2 into 3 is equal to 6, followed by 2 into 4 is equal to 8 till 2 into 10 equal to 20. Okay. So if you observe one thing over here, the first column, so where 2's are present, that column is not getting changed in every row. As you can see, 2 is present in first row, second row till 10th row. So 2 is remain same. Okay. Next, what is the second row? We have multiplication symbol. So that one also not getting changed in every row. Okay. And similarly in the fourth column we have is equal to symbol. That one also not getting changed in every row. So what are the columns that are getting changed in every row? The third column as well as the last column are getting changed in every row. All right, the third column is nothing but I. Okay, using for loop, so we will iterate the numbers from 1 to 10. All right, and the last column is nothing but the product of these numbers. All right, so using this logic only we will write a program. Okay. All right, now let's write a for loop. So for int I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 10. So as you can see, why I have initialized my I variable with 1? Because I want to print the multiplication table of 2 from 1. It means 2 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 tens are. So that is why I am iterating till 10. Alright. So here I've initialized my num variable with 2 because I want to print the multiplication table of 2. Okay, here what I'm doing, system.out.println. So what is the condition? What is the condition? As you can see here, the multiplication table of 2, as I've said before, the first column, second column and the fourth column are not getting changed in every row. Alright, in every row it remains same. So what is the first column? First column means what is there? 2. What is 2? 2 means what? Here we are trying to print a multiplication table of 2. Where I've initialized? I've initialized my num variable with 2. So what is the first one? First one is num. First statement is num. So inside the println statement, I should write num. Okay. Now, what is the second one? Second one is multiplication symbol. Okay. So multiplication symbol also not getting changed in every row. Okay. So how to add the multiplication symbol? We have to add this multiplication symbol to the num variable. So how to do that? Just add a plus operator and within double quotes we have to add this x symbol which is a multiplication symbol. Alright. So what is the next one? Third column. Third column, what is there? As you can see in third column, numbers are getting changed in every row. Okay, it is not like first column and second column. Okay, so your numbers are getting changed in every row. As I've said, this third column is nothing but it is an I. As you can see, we have initialized our I variable with 1 and we're iterating till 10. So here third column is nothing but I. Okay, so we have to add that. And after that, what is the fourth column? Fourth column is equal to symbol. So since it is similar, okay, no problem in that. We can add that. And after that, what is there? So the product of these two numbers. So how to do that? Just add plus and num into I. Okay, so which will return the product of these two numbers. All right, so here num into I means what? When I is 1. what it will do, it will multiply 2 with 1 because num is 2. So 2 into 1 is 2. When I is 2, what it will do? It will multiply 2 with 2. So 2 into 2 means what? 4. So like that it will iterate till 10. So 2 into 10 is equal to 20. So now let's compile. So javac multiply dot java, and then let's run the program java multiply. As you can see here, multiplication table of 2 is printed. Okay, we have printed from 1 to 10. It means what? 2 into 1 is equal to 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Okay, here I can even make some changes. I can even initialize my I variable with something else rather than 1. Okay, so here what I'm doing, I'm taking a scanner class because I want to get the number from the user. So definitely I should import scanner class, and then we should create an object for the scanner class. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner of system.in, and obviously in order to get integer input from the user, we have to use nextInt method. So int num is equal to sc dot nextInt. So now let's save the program and let's compile again. So javac multiply dot java and run java multiply. So here we have to give the number. So I'm entering it as 3. As you can see, multiplication table of 3 got printed. Okay. So here what I'm doing, system dot out dot println, enter the number. All right. I'm making some changes in the program. So enter the number. Now again let's save the program. All right, and then compile. So javac multiply dot java and run java multiply. As you can see, it is asking enter the number. I'm entering it as 5. You can see multiplication table of 5 printed. Okay, as you can see here, we have printed the multiplication table of 5 starting from 1 to 10. It means what? 5 ones are equal to 5 2, 5 tens are equal to 50. Now what I'll do, I want to print a multiplication table of 6 that should start from 10 and it should print till 20. It means what? 6 tens are equal to 62, 6 twenties are equal to 120. Okay, now let's save the program and then compile. So enter the number 6. So 6 tens are equal to 62, 6 twenties are equal to 120. So it means what? I is starting from 10 and it is iterating till 20. Okay, so 6 tens are equal to 62, 6 twenties are equal to 120. Alright. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.